Live from your local news leader, this is KTTC News.
Thanks for joining us. I'm Caitlin Alexander. Brock Burgee is on assignment. The case of missing Mason City News anchor JODI HUISENTRUIT is fast approaching its 30th year of going unsolved. Today, a rare court hearing for the case. KTTC's Olivia Pronzinski joins us live from Mason City. Olivia, what was the hearing for?
Yeah, Caitlin, today's court hearing was for a search warrant from 2017 for two of John Van Cise's cars. Now, John Van Cise is someone that investigators have looked at closely because he was the last person to see JODI alive. Now, John Van Cise passed away in December of 2024, which is why all these arguments are being made now on why that search warrant should be made public.
Hearing on a motion to unseal the search warrant.
After almost 30 years since JODI HUISENTRUIT went missing, private investigator Steve Ridge pressing the court to unseal key information detailed inside a 2017 search warrant for two of suspect John Van Cise's cars. Van Cise passed away in December 2024. Now Ridge's attorney, Nellie O'Mary, argues the state cannot continue to investigate or prosecute someone who died.
The family needs closure on this, Your Honor. They need this opened up and unsealed so they can receive closure after his death, to know that he is no longer being investigated for something he can never be charged with.
Even if the warrant stays sealed, Ridge says this still gives him information surrounding his theory of what happened to JODI.
I think I know who they have in mind that might be able to come forward and corroborate information, and I think I know who they believe might have reason to want to either hide something or to produce it. And so that's stunning new information in this case.
Mason City Police have publicly said no useful information came of the search warrant. Although Sarah Gorder County's top prosecutor, Carlisle Dalen, says what is detailed in the search warrant affidavit is what could compromise the investigation.
Every single law enforcement agency is telling me that providing this information in that affidavit is detrimental to their investigation of this case, that it will hinder their investigation. All of them are saying that.
Dalen arguing there is information in there that only the perpetrator may know. To that, O'Mary had this to say.
Then why hasn't there been an arrest made?
Ridge raising the reward to $100,000 until June 27th for any information leading to JODI's remains. Ridge stating he has narrowed down his sights to 4 people, all of whom are still alive except for Van Cise. In the meantime, Dalen making another plea for someone to come forward.
Bear with us. I know it's been a long time. It's a very difficult case, but we're still looking forward to solving this at some point in time.
And now the judge is going to review the search warrant and decide on whether or not within 30 days on if that search warrant should be public information. Reporting live in Mason City, I'm Olivia Pronzinski.